Are you looking for the perfect drink to serve at your next outdoor gathering, maybe with your 4th of July s'mores?
How about a tasty frozen cocktail? Dimitris Zaharidis, also known as the cocktail chemist, is showing us a few simple ones to try. Not difficult to do?
No, not at all. We're going to start with a pina colada. Then we're going to do some tiki stuff, some easy tiki.
Okay.
So these are all very easily made at home, and if you're having a party, we're going to keep it simple. So
I was recently on the cruise. The pina colada is the drink of the cruise. $14 for a pina colada.
14.
Yeah,
Wow.
I was like,
I'll only charge you 13. So.
But you know,
thank
I think
goodness.
sometimes they're filled with a whole bunch of junk too, and I love how you show us how to make them a little bit more pure.
Yeah.
So-
So I mean, a classic pina colada is very simple. We're using white rum, pineapple, cream of coconut, and some lime juice. And that's it. So we did 2 ounces of, excuse me, of a white rum. We're doing about 3 ounces of pineapple juice. So there's 2.
And you can just get this right out of a can, right?
Yes.
The pineapple juice?
Yes, the pineapple juice out of a can. Same with the coconut cream. We're using 1 ounce of coconut cream. This is
cream is good.
this is where we're going to get a lot of your sweetness
Different
from.
than coconut milk. You want to find
Yes,
that in a
exactly,
can, kind of
yes.
near the
This is super sweet and
where they've got the Thai food
exactly,
over there. Okay.
exactly. A lot of grocery stores will have it right in your mixers department, where you can find
Yeah,
pretty much everything else.
Whatever.
Yeah, Coco Lopez is a good one. You'll see that on the shelf a lot. So
Okay.
then we did it a little bit, about 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. And then we just make it frozen. Kind of ice in the blender. Give it a go.
You want a lot of ice when you're making a frozen drink?
You can use a good amount of ice. It depends on how you like it too. I don't like them super frozen. I like them to be more of a slushy consistency.
Okay.
So that's what we're doing here.
But this is, a lot of times if you're just getting them, at a resort, they're filling them with the mixers, which are
you're getting
kind of yucky
yeah,
sometimes,
yeah.
right?
This
Filled
is-
with all
that's so
sugar and
simple.
artificial
This is
things.
easy. It's classic. We could put a couple of these pineapple fronds on there.
Oh, that's so cool.
A little
clever.
umbrella, metal straw. So watch your face and your teeth, and you give that a little sip.
Go ahead. Go ahead. I'll let you do it. Metal straws are all the trendy thing now. My kids want metal straws.
metal straws.
Yeah.
Just gotta be careful
Good
with
for
them,
the
that's all.
environment.
Yeah, exactly.
Really delicious. Want to try it?
Well, it's okay because
Go
you
ahead,
drank out of
sure,
metal
sure.
straw. You only drink out of a glass. I'm afraid it'll all spill on you.
Here, let me take the straw out so you don't bang your head. All right, go ahead.
No injuries today, guys.
That is good. I like that better than a regular one that you would have at the resort. It just tastes more fresh.
It balances out more, and you're having fresh ingredients, and
Yeah.
it makes all the difference.
Yeah.
So next we're going to go with a painkiller. So a painkiller is a tiki cocktail, basically a tiki drink, a riff on a pina colada.
What's
so
a
we're
tiki
using a lot
like? Is it a tiki bar kind of thing?
Tiki drinks are, there's a lot of rum-based drinks, a lot of fruit, tropical fruit,
this one more
a lot of theatrics and stuff like that. If you've ever been to a tiki bar, they're a lot of fun to be at because, there's smoke everywhere and
Yeah.
things on fire and stuff like that. So
What are you doing there, Dimitri?
we're doing an ounce of dark rum. We're doing an ounce of gin. I like gin in my tiki cocktails.
Okay.
We're doing 3/4 of an ounce of orange juice, fresh pressed orange juice.
Okay.
We're going back to our coconut cream, about a 1/2 ounce of coconut cream. And then we're doing 2 ounces of pineapple juice.
Wow, this is
Now, if you were having a party, would you
Concoction.
suggest instead, because if you don't have you working it, then blending a bunch of drinks is going to be difficult. Could you make a big batch
You can get a big batch, yeah.
and then just keep reblending it every now and then?
You
or-
blend it, or just rent one of those slushy machines. Those are fun.
Oh,
You
and
can
you
rent
can
those.
pour it in
We
there?
have one of those at the
Oasis.
bar, so we have slushies on draft. We have pina colada on draft. We have mojito on slushy, and then we're gonna do some. This is the best part right here. Is the nutmeg.
nutmeg.
Bunch of nutmeg on top,
Oh.
look at that, how beautiful that is.
and that's your painkiller.
You want to try it, Kara? Go ahead.
You can have.
No, go ahead.
It's
Give it a
okay.
All right.
She's avoiding it.
I'm good. I want Dimitri Steele to show us the next one.
Really
you
good.
enjoy, along
you
with
try
your
this one.
marshmallows and your cookies.
All right, we only have about a minute.
All right, this is a jungle bird. So we're gonna do again dark rum, 1.5 ounces.
I should probably try this again.
And we're doing a 3/4 of an ounce of Campari. So we're gonna have, it's gonna be like sweet, bitter, all those fun components.
That's right.
So we have rum,
Rum,
Campari.
Campari, touch of simple syrup.
Okay.
3/4 of an ounce, actually an ounce of pineapple, and 1/2 ounce of lime juice.
And this
So
is called,
a
what
good-
is this again?
This is called the Jungle Bird.
The Jungle Bird.
And again, these are all, tiki cocktails could get up to, 10, ingredients plus. Those are, that's kind of a lot, but these are, more simple and easy to make and less
Oh, look at
ingredients.
how beautiful
and delicious.
that is. Oh, that's
Such
a
a
drink
pretty
for Karen.
color.
And that one's all yours.
Okay, I'll have a
Karen,
little
you try
Nice and
that.
frothy.
And I like
try
how you
this
put
again.
all the
With
fresh
pineapple.
fruit as
Yeah.
the garnish.
I'll keep trying this.
It's good. I mean, that's a drink.
It's a drink. Yes. That's a good one.
Scott, we still have another part of the show to do, All right.
Oh, they're all so good.
Nailed it.
So for those recipes, all the ones we've just showed you, if you want to try them at home, you can head to Demetrius's Facebook page.
Yep.
Just search Cocktail Chemist.